Game day. Good morning. My name is Layla Jones, and I'm the chocolate section leader for the MMJ.
Good morning, guys. It's around 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack my game day bag and get a bag ready to spend the night at my friend's house tonight. Oh yeah.
Good morning, guys. It's game day. I look a mess, so I'm gonna get in the shower and I'll be back.
Low-key, high-key, don't know when I got up. It's 5:46, 5:47, something like that. Good morning. It's game day.
We're late, but this is my outfit. Top MMJ, bottoms, warmer, shoes Crocs, book bag, Minnie Mouse. Let's get this good game day started.
I'll probably update y'all when I'm at school. But yeah, just a little fit. Oh, you can't see the shoe. Yeah.
So we're out of the shower. It is 7:22, so we have to hurry up.
So we made it to school, me and mommy. We gotta talk to them about parking. But yeah.
So guys, we just got to school a little late as usual. I got some Chick-fil-A in the back. I don't know, he's right there. And we're about to do morning announcements. So yeah, I guess I'll time lapse or do something while we're doing morning announcements.
We are on the way to class, on the way to school. We're gonna have a great day, y'all. It's game day, it's game day, it's game day!
So my DoorDash, she's going this way, and then she's teleporting down here, and then she's teleporting back up here, and then teleporting down here. And this is typical. But we're waiting for DoorDash right now because you need to eat before the game all the time and drink lots of water.
Here we are, dressed and ready to go for the game. Hat, shorts, all of the whole shebang. We're gonna get ready to line up and head outside and see y'all in Jag Stadium, because what is game day?
We're in block. Piccolo, say hi. Piccolo, say hi. Piccolo,
say hi!
We at the game, y'all. We at the game. We at the game.
Okay, yeah, we are at the game, y'all. Yeah, we're down. I don't know what happened. 7, 6, 7.
By number 48.
Snap! MMJ!
The band will start the show with the traditional tune. Get ready by the Temptations, followed by
Snap!
Fair from Jackson State University. Title, Glory.
did that. We did our big one. We did our thing. MMJ. We ain't done it.
Okay, y'all, we just did a field show. Day in the life, day in the life. We just did a field show. We getting water. Thank you. So yes, here with my two disciples.
So grateful for this water.
Yes, me too. Oh my God, it's water. So yeah, I think that's probably my last. Oh, that's probably my last vlog of the night, y'all. So yes, thank y'all for tuning in, and that's about it.
So we're gonna go meet the section leaders of the other band.
Yes, they better be lit.
So yes, this is so fun, guys. Wow. Where's the flutes? Where's the flutes?
Y'all, we're here with the clarinet. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm here with East Party. Okay. This is my good sis. What's your name? Peyton. My good sis Peyton.
I'm Sanders.
Alyssa. Soraya. And they're here to join us with a day with the MMJ. This is the end of the game, y'all. We won 23-20 because this is Jag country. They can't hang in Jag land. We did our first show. Everything was great. The game was great. There's too much traffic to march back up. Do our typical march down. So we're walking back to the band room. I will see y'all at the end of my night.
So, not gonna lie, half of the parts, it's a little rough. We just got done. We just got dismissed and everything. It's time to go home, take my shower. Game day. It was something. Until next week.
The time is now 11:58 and we are at home. We are showered and clean, ready to go to bed because the band has to be up at 8, 9-ish in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoy Day in the Life of an MMJ student with me, Lily Jones, the trumpet section leader. But this is the end of my vlog.